everyone, my name is Hui Jing, and I want to present my project down for the CS 7295 data visualization class with Professor John Alexis Guerra. What I did for this project is that I found some education-related data on Oakland schools from this website, data.oaklandca.gov. And then in this data set, I wanted to see what are the different types of schools in Oakland and the number of schools under each school category. So basically what I ended up using is observable, and I forked a D3 example on bar chart. So through data collected by this website, I actually was able to find some very interesting insights, which is the fact that Oakland is a charter land. There are more charter schools than high schools in Oakland. So here is my analysis done using D3 and also a curl. So basically I use a curl to count the frequency of each types of schools, and then derived a new attribute called count, which refers to the number of schools under each school category. And I use that attribute along with the school type attribute to get a bar chart, which looks like this. So based on this bar chart, we're able to see that there are roughly 65 elementary schools in Oakland, a bit over 35 charter schools in Oakland, a bit under 25 high schools, and a bit under 20 middle schools in Oakland. And that discovery is very interesting because normally people would think charter school is a very special category and we wouldn't expect that many charter schools in a county. So I did a little bit of research of what charter school is in America and also in Oakland. What I realized is that charter schools exist as a unique type of schools where it is publicly funded and tuition free, but individual agreements are made between the school and state or local government to see what they want to teach in their curriculum. As a result, some charter school may focus on arts and theater, and some other charter school may focus on STEM, the science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And charter school can span between grade 1 to 12. There's no real limitation on the grade of the school, which is another very interesting finding I had. So basically, that's the most interesting insight I found from this data visualization project. I also did a little bit into data abstraction. I used this project to familiarize myself with the different types of data sites, and attributes. So what I discovered is that I ended up working with a table data set, and a lot of the data I came across from the Oakland website are also table data set. And in terms of static versus dynamic data, I also realized most of the data in that website is static. I also find it very interesting that so I was able to use a very simple data set and only use 2 attributes to get this project finished, and I did get some very interesting insight. So the 2 attributes I had is the type and the count, and type ended up to be a categorical attribute and has no orientation, whereas count is a derived quantitative attribute that is sequential. So this data luckily was in proper format, so I didn't have to pre-process it because there was no null value. I just derived the attribute called value or count from this data set using a curl, and also put a few of my references in this notebook. So that's my project. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.